Okay, exciting news. I just caught a major improvement by Daisy and their website. And I'm not saying I caught it as soon as it came out, but I did catch it. And I think everybody needs to know about this. It is great. So, what we do here, we're on the Daisy homepage there. And we scroll down, get past all their advertisements. Of course, they got their guns on there. And we go down into this blue section. And in that section, you see customer service, customer support, and then spare parts. So this is new. I did not, that wasn't there before. You used to have to call them on the phone to order parts. So you click on that, and now they are now selling their parts on the internet. And this is a big deal because they're cutting out the middleman. Okay, so we're right there. So air rifles and pistols. So I'm going to walk you through this. So click on that. All right. Okay, so let's get into this now. Okay, the abutment seal kit and the bolt assembly. Okay, we'll start there. All right, now look, I've been doing this since 2017, and this is the origins of the channel, is to help people get their gun fixed for cheap and get good prices. Is I've in that time though, I have met good guys on eBay. They have little businesses. They're decent guys, and that's never been my concern. It's the bad operators that Daisy knows is out there. So by having this now, where you just go on there and it competes directly against eBay, they're Daisy, and they're giving you prices that eBay can't compete. They can't compete, and that this is great. So, what we had here, we had a situation to where people would say, well, it's just so convenient to order on the internet, and they were just going along getting ripped off, but not everybody was happy about that. So let's go over this. You can now just get on their website, use your card, and order. You don't got to call. So the abutment seal kit is just $3. This would have a refresher here. There's a chamber seal on there, other known as a check valve. That's this other name for it, check valve. And that checks the air as you pump your gun. So you have a multi-pump, so you have an 880. The single pumps don't have that. Okay, and it rides on that piece of metal. Now it's $3 from Daisy, the company, on their improved website. And I've seen that go for as high as $20 plus shipping. Okay, a big difference, folks. Again, even if it doesn't break the bank, why would you pay that? But yes, now it's very convenient. And then over here, we have the bolt assembly. It's only $250. I've seen that go for as high as $20. And granted, there is shipping and handling taxes, but look at your starting point, not $20 plus shipping. Okay, so now let's come down. And the big cat. Okay, there's the Daisy front sight for your Red Ryder. That's only $1. Okay, so let's come down. There's the big cat right there. Okay, so O-ring seal kit. That has been controversial because I've seen that go for as high as $20 plus shipping. And a few of the bad operators, $20 and free shipping, but it's $20. Okay, that is $1. You're starting at $1. I want to really key in on this. As I have been telling people for years, order 2 or 3 of those. You could have a Daisy 35, multiple 880s, a 901. A friend could bust one up and you have to repair it, cursing all the way. But yes, you never know when you're going to need these kits. So I say order 3. And, again, you're talking about $3. So taxes and shipping, you're going to be looking at $10 to $12 for 3 kits, not $20 for one. So, yes, so again, I'm going to encourage you on here again, order 2 or 3 of these kits. It's still a great bargain, especially if you have a lot of Daisy pump guns. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go. I'm going to keep walking you through this. So we come down here and we go to page 2. Okay, so now we get in some other subject matter here. All right, now that is probably the biggest offender of what I see with bad operators on eBay. That's a pump rod assembly, and that's $350 through Daisy. I've seen that go as high as $30. And say, hey, you got to have it. Oh, yes, you got to have it. But now that Daisy's making it easy for you, you can order just like you would on eBay, but it's only $3.50 to start. You're going to save a lot more money. $3.50 is a big difference between $30 plus shipping. All right, so okay, now let's get into talking about garage sales here. This improved site is just great. Okay, so that elevator there, that can be part of your rear sight. Many times if you get one from a garage sale, it's little things like that are missing, but you'll want that. It's only $1. Okay, let's come down some more, and this is great. Okay, that is a screw set for an 880, and sometimes they come rusted, and if you don't know what a vapor rust is, or you don't want to use that, or they're just severely rusted, This will take care of you. It's only $2 for the full set of screws for your receiver, your stock. Sometimes they'll, at a garage sale, they'll be missing screws or they're severely rusted or both. So they got you covered there. Just $2 to start. Let's move over here. That is their site group. It's just $1.50, folks. $1.50. I've seen that go for as high as $20. So, okay, what can happen at a garage sale? You can have the front sight that's damaged, the elevator's missing, and the slide windage, that's a plate you see, that can be missing. It's also, well, it's your notch, but yeah, all that can be damaged or missing, and they got you covered for just $1.50. So that's pretty neat stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to walk everybody through this. They don't have the adult Red Ryder stock on here yet, but you know, they're working on it. They're going to get a lot of stuff on here. That's what it looks like. So we'll go back. All right. So anyway, yeah, so this is what it's about. And I'm just so pleased that Daisy is fighting that, because the bad operators, the ones that are really overcharging, you know, people would go along with it because they just want to get on the internet and order and pay. Well, folks, please come to the Daisy website and do it like this. Please cut out the middleman, especially when they're way overcharging like that. Okay, well, thank you, and happy shopping.